Today we will teach you how to wear 10-inch IP Villa Tuya IP outdoor station waterproof metal material. User manual 5-card free. Expansion tube, big screws, small screws, in the monitor hand plates, outdoor station hand plate and waterproof rubber. Security cable, unlock cable, doorbell cable, pole adapter cable, adapter. Now teach you to make Cat 6 network cable to connect RJ45 network port. Note, the color of both ends of the line should be the same. Compress. Now, use cable tester to test whether the network cable has been made well. If all lights from 1 to 8 will turn green, means made successfully. Install outdoor station according the location of hand plate, drill hole. Install expansion tube. Install screws. Install waterproof rubber. Connect Cat 6 cable with RJ45 interface. Install small screws. Install in the monitor. You need to drill a hole or install AC box on the wall. Install hand plate. Connection. Pole adapter cable. Network cable RJ45 interface. Install. Install well. Power on. Connection well for to test. In any picture and video, you can see the fur very clearly. Means connection everything well. Now connection outdoor station, door lock and power. Firstly, use 2-core cable connect the power and the door lock. No distinguish of the positive or negative poles. You can connect anyway. Now, stick with insulation tube to prevent short circuit. Now connect another side with power. One connect with NO, another connect with GND. Okay, connect well. Now use 2-core cable connect outdoor station with power. 2 unlock signal cable. You can connect left or right. Firstly, we show you how to connect with left side. Whether positive or negative, you can connect anyway. Okay, this side connect well. Now connect another side. One connect with GND. Another connect with push 1. I'll show you another unlock with. Connect with right. Now connect another side. One connect with control positive. Another connect with control negative. Well. Power on. Connect, lock, and everything well. Now I will show you 4 unlock ways. Number 1, pull to unlock. Number 2, monitor unlock. Click Villa. Click number 1. The door is open. Please come in. Number 3, skin card unlock. The door is open. Please come in. Number 4, unlock from Tuya application. The door is open. Please come in.